Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how to make a factory reset with the Huawei P20 Lite. So first of all we go to the settings, then we scroll down until system, and then we choose this point reset, and then you have three types of resets, so a soft reset, a network reset if a problem with the Wi-Fi or internet, and a factory data reset. And if you want to make the complete reset, you go on the factory data reset, so the hard reset, and then you ask if you're sure, you go on reset phone, and then you ask if you're really sure, then you confirm again with reset phone, and you will erase all the data. If you need it, maybe if you want to reset the phone, or if you have a real problem on the phone, it is always a try maybe to bring your phone back to life. But you will erase all your data. So in case you will do that and want to keep your data, put them maybe on a computer or on the cloud, or use the internal storage for the pictures and so on and so on. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with that. And if you like it, if I could help you, maybe you can give me a thumbs up or leave me a nice comment. It's always helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, so now you have to wait a few minutes for your phone, and then if you want to use it again, you have to enter the Google email address and so on, like as the beginning. You start it brand new then again. Thank you so much for watching, and maybe until next time. Ciao.